Hey guys, this is Ward. Uh, Today we have a different exercise. Last video we have X and Y. In this type of exercise, if you can see here, we have like 2 power. And there's 2 different ways we can solve this problem. The first, we can multiply 2 times 3, we have 6, and then you multiply 6 to 3, and this time is 2. And in this exercise, the new thing we have here is minus 2. The way you deal with the number here is different than when you deal with X and Y. So I will show you today how you deal with it. So what we know, if you have a minus times minus, what you get is plus. That's the rule. But if you have like minus 2 times minus 1, you're going to get 2. But if you have minus 2 times 1, you're going to get minus 2. So that's the rule. So in this exercise, if you look here, we have 3 times 2, we have 6. And we know 6. So the number here, number 2, have to be a positive at the end. And that's what we should deal with. Another thing you should know, if those was similar, if we have X and X, the first thing we do before we solve the problem, we combine the number on the top. Let's say this was X 2 times X 3. If those was the same thing, we just combine 2 plus 3, so we go to get 5. So it could be 5 x power pi. But this one, because they are different, so what we're going to do is going to be 3 times 6, and then 6 times 3, 6 times 2, 2 power 6. And that's what we're going to do. So let's solve in the first technique. So the first thing you could do, it should be equal. So what we're going to do here, it'd be minus 2, and then x 2 times y 3. And what we're going to do first here, we're going to do this 3 times 2, we're going to get 6. And here is going to be minus 2 power 6. And then x, so it's 2 times 6, y 3 times 6. So it should be 64, and then you have 2 times 6, 12. So x should be 12, and then y, it should be 3 times 6 is 18. And that's how you solve this type of the problem. So you're going to ask why we got 64, because 2. So let me say this. So if you have 2 power 2, you're going to get 4. But if you have minus 2 and then power 3, you're going to get minus 8. And if this 4, you're going to get 16. So that's how you get 64. So let me show you how you get to 64. So 2, and we say 6. So we're going to get begin from 2. So let's say the second way we do it. So 2, it'd be power 2 is going to be equal 4. That's how this changed. Okay? And so you're going to leave with 4 power 3. And 4 power 3, it will give you 64. And that's how we give 64. How? Because it look like this. 4 times 4 times 4. That's how you get 64. Because 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4, because we know 4 times 6 is 24. So you have 4, you carry 2, 4 times 1 is 4 plus 2 is 64. That's how you get 64. So our answer is right. That's another way you solve this type of the problem. The second way you solve it is to solve the one here. So the one inside, it will equal, so you're going to put this, it's going to be, it's go this way, and it go this way, and it go this way. So you're going to have 4, and then x, so it's